Python keywords. Keyword, description, and a logical operator. As, to create an alias. Assert, for debugging. Break, to break out of a loop. Class, to define a class. Continue, to continue to the next iteration of a loop. Def, to define a function. Del, to delete an object. Elif, used in conditional statements same as else if. Else, used in conditional statements. Except, used with exceptions, what to do when an exception occurs. False, Boolean value, result of comparison operations. Finally, used with exceptions, a block of code that will be executed no matter if there is an exception or not. For, to create a for loop. From, to import specific parts of a module. Global, to declare a global variable. If, to make a conditional statement. Import, to import a module. In, to check if a value is present in a list, tuple, etc. Is, to test if two variables are equal. Lambda, to create an anonymous function. None, represents a null value. Non-local, to declare a non-local variable. Not, a logical operator. Or, a logical operator. Pass, a null statement, a statement that will do nothing. Raise, to raise an exception. Return, to exit a function and return a value. True, Boolean value, result of comparison operations. Try, to make a try except statement. While, to create a while loop. With, used to simplify exception handling. Yield, to return a list of values from a generator. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.